Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how you can change your name on Quora. I mean the thing which other people see from you when you are answering or posting or whatsoever. It can be especially annoying when you log into Quora with your Google account, like Gmail account, and then it's taking your original name, which is something which you probably don't want to see on the internet publicly. And I've been looking for a way how to change the name, and I found a solution, but it was still difficult to use it. So I wanted to help you a little bit with this short video. So here we are on Quora. That's the main page, something which is not from me, just displayed randomly. And of course you have to go to your profile, that's here. Of course, when you are connected with your Google account, then you see the picture. If not, then you see just an icon. So we click here, then we click here on top, and then we see the profile page. By the way, this is just a random profile which I have created just to show this video. This is not something which I'm using. You can see I've been doing nothing and I'm not planning to do anything. So what the internet is saying, that when you are on this page, which is quora.com/profile, then you can just click the edit button and change the name. But the big question here is then, where is this edit button? And the answer is you have to hover on top of your name here, and then on the right side you will see this edit button. You can click and change your name. By the way, you can only change your name up to 10 times in total, but I've already done this and it worked absolutely awesome. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.